Ruel Reid has resigned as Minister of Education, Youth and Information amid allegations of corruption at the Hero Circle-based ministry.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid has resigned. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the shock announcement on Wednesday morning, March 20, noting that Reid has also resigned from the Senate. The minister's sacking comes as a corruption scandal is engulfing an institution which falls under the Education Ministry. It is understood that after ending his contribution to the budget debate on Tuesday evening, March 19, Prime Minister Andrew Holness summoned Mr. Reid. Holness, in a brief statement from Jamaica House, said he met with Reid Wednesday morning regarding certain allegations in the public domain. In keeping with the principles of good governance, I requested and received Minister Reid's resignation, Holness said. While the Prime Minister did not give specifics, there were widespread speculation since the start of the week that Reid was in trouble. Sources claim Reid had been contemplating his future over the past few days, but it is understood that he was told by the Prime Minister that he should go. Reid subsequently submitted his resignation as a senator to the Governor-General Sir Patrick Allen. A messy state of affairs at the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, is at the heart of the issue which has seen the fall of the Education Minister. It is understood that a female consultant was contracted and paid sums of money by the university. The consultant is said to have directed that the money be paid into the bank account of a woman. The woman whose account the money was paid into is on record as the helper of Senator Reid. It is believed that the consultant is now the subject of a police investigation. The police are moving to find out whether the money paid out was for work actually done. But senior persons in the Caribbean Maritime University's management are insisting that the consultant had actually worked for which money was paid out. The JCF's Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Agency, CTOC, and the Financial Investigation Division, FID, of the Finance Ministry are leading the investigation. The police questioned the Education Minister's helper a few days ago. They have also questioned some employees at other agencies which fall under the Education Ministry. Additionally, the Auditor General has been carrying out an investigation into the CMU and other agencies in the ministry. On Tuesday of this week, a defiant Reid said that he was taken aback by the allegations of corruption at agencies under his watch. He declared that he has nothing to hide.
Broadly, what we're saying is that there has been a call for the Auditor General to do an investigation. So I myself am anxious for the Auditor General to do their work. I know they have been in the ministry for some time doing their regular audit. So I think at this stage we should await the auditors to do their work. But the ministry has nothing to hide. We try to make sure we manage with great probity and, of course, accountability.
Reid's sudden departure from the cabinet is the latest black eye for Holness's 3-year-old administration, following the forced resignation of then Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley last July at the height of the Petrojam scandal. That scandal enveloped the government for most of 2018 and has continued into 2019. According to Wednesday's statement from Jamaica House, Reid's resignation will ensure that any investigation into matters of concern will not be in any way impeded by his presence or oversight of the ministry. Meanwhile, Reid's former ministry will now fall under the temporary supervision of the Office of the Prime Minister, which will start its own review of the ministry and its agencies.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.